How to earn money over $800 to watch videos online. In today's video, we will show in detail how to use this free and brand new website that you have never seen before to get paid over by just watching videos. So you don't need any experience with this technique, which works in lots of countries worldwide. To learn this step by step, watch this video until the end because I will show you some tips in this video and you must use them if you want to earn over $800 from this method. But before we start, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Now let's start the video. Step 1. So this is the new website that will certainly pay us free PayPal money to watch videos. But as I said before, if you want to make the most out of this strategy, continue watching until the end. If you look at this right here, you can see that they have paid over $1 million to their members. This website pays a lot of money to its users because this is a brand new website. So watch this video and start this right now. If you scroll down a little right here, we can see several rewards for you to claim. Take a look at this: PayPal, Visa, Amazon, Roblox, Steam, Spotify and many more. Once you go over to this website, click the sign up or login button right here and then you will certainly be taken over to this web page. Here you can sign up by entering your email address, username and password, or you can sign up with your Google account as well. Step 2. In this step, I will show you exactly how to make money on this website by watching short and fun videos. If you want to know the website name, keep on watching because I will show you the name in this step. Before we do anything else, first I want you to activate your account. As you can see here, they give 10 free points for simply activating the email on your account. Click on this Activate Now button and first activate your email. Once you have done that, you can start making free PayPal money by watching videos. After you activate your account, you need to go to the Earn Points section. Click Earn Points and you will be taken over to this page. Here you can see the things that we can do to make free PayPal money. On this website, there are many ways to earn PayPal money. Now, I want you to look at this right here. Top offers, play games, fast offers, download apps, complete surveys and watch videos. This is the easiest method to earn money on this website. We can complete offers, play games, complete surveys and additionally, we can watch videos too. Each of this way is very easy and simple, yet watching videos and playing games are the easiest methods to get paid. So to earn money by watching videos, click on this Watch Videos button and then click on a video that you like. Watch that video and after that you will get paid. It's very simple and you can do this repeatedly for unlimited times. So then that's how you can earn by watching videos. In step number 3, I will show you how to make money on this website while sleeping. That is the important tip I want to show you. As I said earlier, you must utilize it if you want to make more than $800 from this website. But before we get into that, the name of this website is Casio.co. Once again, Casio.co. The link of this website is in the description. If you don't want to learn just how to make hundreds of dollars from this website, you can click that web link and also you can go to the website now. But the people who want to earn over $800 from this website, keep watching until the end to learn the important tips. Step 3. So this is the essential step of this method. In this step, I will show you how to make money on Casio without doing anything. We will make money doing nothing and other people will certainly watch videos, take surveys and complete offers for us. First of all, I want you to click on Invite Friends. Click that link. Once you clicked on it, you will see this Enjoy Unlimited Free Cash by just inviting your friends. Yes, you can earn unlimited PayPal money by doing this easy thing. Now you need to scroll down and then copy this link right here. This is my referral web link and all we need to do is copy and paste this web link. It's super simple and easy. I will show you where you need to paste this web link in just a couple of minutes. But first, you need to copy your referral link. After you copy your referral web link, I want you to go over to Pexel.com. Once again, this is Pexel.com. I'm sure many of you know what Pexel is, but if you don't know, this is a website where you can find thousands of free stock images and videos that we can download for completely free. Now, I want you to type money in the search bar and then click the search icon. Then we can see many videos about money. These all are high quality and copyright free. Now you are probably thinking about what we will do with these videos. To know how we will certainly make money by using these free videos, keep on watching. I will show you everything in detail on how we will use these videos to earn free PayPal money. Let's say I want to utilize this video right here. What I usually want to do is click this video, and then as you can see here, I want to click this download button. This is super easy. After you have done that, you want to go over to imgur.com. For those of you who don't know what Imgur is, this is a social media platform like Instagram and Facebook. We can post images and videos here. Today, we will use this platform to get free signups. So, first of all, click on the sign up button and create a free account. After that, I want you to click on a new post. That will take you over to this page, and now you need to upload that video. And then right here, we need to give a title. You can say earn money by watching fun videos and then add 100% free. So everyone will know that you are not trying to sell them anything. After that, in the description, we want to add our referral link. You want to say sign up for free and earn free money now. Then paste your referral link below. Once you are done, you want to put some tags right here to make money online. PayPal money, earn money, and tags like that. Now, you want to share this post on Imgur. Millions of people go over to this website every month, which means we can get many referrals by using this free platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it with others, and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next one.